Didn't notice anything, but one of you guys also said that the engine has to be fully warmed up for it, so I guess we'll do it later on. Enjoy this melodramatic freeway pull. Super fine, not impressive. What's worse than a Prius driving slow in the carpool lane in the fast lane? 2 motorcycles driving slow in the carpool lane. Come on, buddies, speed it up, huh? We got places to go. We got cars to mod. Oh, we got this STI behind me. He's trying me. He's trying. I will put his ass on World Stars. You don't want this, son. You don't want this. Oh shit! Bump, bump, bump. Oh. Courtesy of this $130,000 knob. Put it on. Traction all the way off. Is that a cop? That's not a cop. Got to shift for a second. Oh man, I love this car. Such a good car to drive. So easy to swing, so easy to drift. Like every AMG is. Okay, I'm awake. Mondi's awake. Mandatory tunnel run coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Wrong gear, sorry. I fucked that up so bad. I'm sorry. Wrong gear. So we'll do another tunnel run once we got the downpipes on the car. I'll make it up to you guys. I'm sorry. My apologies. Home sweet home. Hi. Say hi.
Don't talk to me no more.
Why's that?
You left me.
Yeah, I left you. I'm sorry. Well, I'm back, Alex. We can spend the day together like the good old days.
Now I'm stuck with Mitch.
Oh man, that's terrible. It's honestly not bad. It's okay. It's got some pops, it's got some crackles, but that's because of the tune as well. Hey, that's not bad for stock, right?
Yeah, it has just the right amount of grumble to it.
The car's gonna hit puberty. The balls are gonna drop. The voice is gonna deepen.
Wait, so you've had this for a week now?
A week, yeah.
And we're just now getting to Mondi. You're actually late on this
Dude,
car.
I wanted to do it the first day, but iPE had to send it over, and then, you know, it had to come from Taiwan, so it took a week.
I don't even know you.
Don't blame it on me.
Old, slowing down.
What kind of cheap ass car is this? The doors open up like this? Get out of here.
Oh. Go back to your G35. I know it doesn't have the gull wings.
Is that carbon fibre bell housing? Oh my god. This is the world's easiest starter change on a Mercedes.
Yeah, but the world's hardest downpipe change.
Yeah, it's definitely
It doesn't do us any good. So while the guys are struggling, let me be an inconvenience over here.
Yeah.
I'll explain to you guys how the exhaust system on this car works. So, 3 tips. One here. It's a real tip.
You got it?
And then the center one, and then another one here. So the valves are up here. When you close the valves, these side ones don't work. It's just the center one with the muffler. And then when you open that up, air travels through the side ones as well. So looking at this transmission, my buddy Rod over here told me that this is the same one from an 812.
Yep.
Same transmission from an 812 Ferrari. It's a get drag.
Are those
All right, if you guys could hurry up, that'd be great. I got a date tonight. I don't even know how to put this. So I went to In-N-Out to get the boys some lunch, and it seems like they're having a lot of fun with my parts. So they've got the drive shaft up, and well, just watch.
For Armenia! We give nothing back!
Mark, don't think I didn't notice this.
Ow. Okay, Rod, let me load it.
All right, guys, please. I'm sure that's very expensive. Don't destroy it. Fire in the hole! Oh, oh my. My car was gonna be on back order for like 8 months. I was gonna have to buy another car to get me by. Jesus Christ.
Can I hold this?
Hold what? This?
It's on
These nuts.
Got him. Mitch, I want a discount. See this hard labor I'm doing? I want a discount. What do you think? It's
is,
fast.
I have not felt that feeling in a long time.
It is fucking fast. Holy
I'm-
shit, that was impressive.
I'm tingling. I have tingles. Oh, Jesus.
You see what I mean by it's such a good driver's car?
Yeah, yeah.
It pulls so much faster now. Now second gear roll spin.
Wow.
Holy fuck is out. I love this. Alright, iPE, seriously, you guys killed it with the downpipes.
Oh my god.
Oh man, dude.
This is not, I did not
I
expect.
told you.
Dude, oh god.
Oh my.
Wow.
That was nice.
Wow.
Oh man, that blow off valve. It's
Yeah,
just like
that's
the
so much
icing
fun.
on the cake. Oh my god. Yes. 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 More yes.
Wow.
Oh, I love this. Yes. So much yes. And I've got R888s in the rear. So super sticky tires.
I'm blown away.
That's everyone's impression. Whenever they get in this car, they're all blown away. They're like, wow.
Did not expect it.
And it wouldn't be normal tradition if you don't have like 8 outros. We spent probably 30 minutes doing an outro here because I would always fuck up my words. So I've got a date, so I gotta head on out here. I'll see you guys in a couple days. I'll show you more of this stuff, but see you guys next.